Good morning, Mindful Lifestyle families. Ryan back again with another video. This morning, I am on my way to therapy. Not physical therapy, not nothing for my back, none of that, but mental therapy. And I'm going to be really open and honest with you guys, man, about who I am and things that I've, come out of in my past and where I'm going with my future. So I'm on my way to therapy, to a new therapist. My recent one, who I've had for about, maybe since I was in high school, around maybe 15, 16 years old, has retired. So, for me, I am been in therapy for about 14 years. And there's nothing wrong with it, y'all. So, always remember that. There's nothing wrong with getting help. There's nothing wrong with wanting to talk to someone outside of your family, outside of your friends. God gave them, the ability to help. So there you go. So I have a therapist, and I was diagnosed at a young age, around maybe 16, with major depressive disorder and bipolar disorder. And that doesn't mean that I'm one of those people who goes off and snaps or you know what I'm saying. So I don't want y'all to get that misconstrued or go off of what you think it is. Read up, man. Learn about what something is before you decide to judge. And not saying that you will, but sometimes we go off of hearsay versus information, real information from the person himself. So I'm on my way to therapy. It's my second time meeting a guy. He's pretty cool, man. So I'm just trying to give him a chance. I'm not saying that I'm on medicine. I ain't on none of that. I was at one point in my life. And my feelings towards it, I don't recommend it. And that's just coming from my experience. And the only reason why I don't recommend it is because for me, it turned me into a complete zombie, man. It turned me into somebody who was not themselves. So, yeah. But I'm not on any. I haven't been on it in a while. I've done everything my own now so far. So, this is another version of getting better outside of the gym being my therapy. So I'll holler at y'all when I get out of there. And after that, man, we're going to work for a couple hours. And I promise today, man, I'm going to train something today. I don't care what it is, but I'm going to train today something since I haven't. Yeah, man, we'll have a message for the night, and that's it, man. So holla. It's all love. What's going on, y'all? Just getting out of therapy, man. Good moment, good time, good session. Like I was saying to y'all before I actually went, there's nothing wrong with therapy, man. I know sometimes you get a stigma, like I said, the wrong stigma on what it is. It's not somebody sitting there judging you. They're really sitting there to just listen. In reality, it may give you advice. You can take it or not. But in the end, it's good for you, man. It's good to release. It's good to let go of things and expound on things. Because sometimes, like I said, we can't talk to family. Sometimes you can't talk to your friends. Just that's what it is. So, like I said, man, my experience with therapy, I've been through it for the last 15 years. 14, 15, however many years. You know, I've been on medicine, man. I've been on psychotic medicine before. And is it what it is sometimes? In a bad way? Yes. Was I in that position? Yes. Did I stop taking it cold turkey? Yes. Why? Because a part of you in your mind says this ain't right. So you have to stop it. You have to quit it and then make the necessary adjustments to make yourself better for yourself, by yourself. I mean, you have people to help you, but you have to do the work. Also, my diagnosis of bipolar disorder, and depression, all that comes from me losing my father at a young age, and me not having the necessary, I guess, mindset, or just nobody's ready for death, man. Especially when you're young. Actually experience it. No one's ready for that. So you have to get yourself ready for that, man. People can't drive out here on the freeway, man. But no one's ready for it. So my experiences, come from that. To those, man, who deal with anything in that way, depression, people who've dealt with suicidal thoughts like myself, I have back in the day, and now I'm not in that space. But those who deal with mental illness, talk to somebody, man. Find somebody. Hey, if you gotta call that little hotline, man, call it. But this is for someone, man, who may need it and they feel like they're alone. You're not. I'm able to tell you what I've been through because I've been through it, and I'm not in the same space I once was beforehand. And trust yourself. Trust yourself to make the right decision. So that's me, man. That's me in a nutshell. And you're gonna see how some days I might not feel like, I may feel down, I may feel up, whatever, but me letting you guys know this now, it's gonna help you. Like I said, I didn't do this channel for myself. I'm doing this for somebody else who may need it. So I'ma holler at y'all when I get to work. It's all love, man, from me to y'all. Peace. Hey everybody, back home, man. After a long day of work. Trained a client, and I did work out. I just didn't record it. I just did some body weight stuff, nothing too heavy. But yeah, the message for the day is, even in doubt, continue. Even in stress, continue. Through adversity, continue. Time is the only thing that's consistent in this world. This life is yours. If you let time have control of it, then you'll lose. I guess the mindful word of the day is, through it all, continue. There will be adversity, like I said. There will be times of challenge. There will be times of stress. There will be times of defeat. And there will be times of success and joy. No matter what happens to you in this world or in this life or to those around you, you must continue. You have a purpose and you must complete it to the best of your ability.